In some other updates, Paul Meakin, a British paedophile teacher in Bengaluru who escaped from India to avoid trial, has been spotted in Kuwait. He was arrested in 2012 for sending lewd messages to a child. While his discovery has proved a major lapse on part of the Bengaluru police, they will soon be issuing an Interpol alert.
In 2012, Times Now tracked down the paedophile Paul Meakin, accused of sending lewd messages to a child in Bengaluru. A still from the school's documents show him posing with students without a beard that he grew later to alter his appearance. But this paedophile easily slipped from under the Bangalore police's noose in 2013 after being imprisoned for 13 months. He has now resurfaced in Kuwait.
That he has disappeared from the country has come to the light only recently from various sources. So therefore, approaching the Interpol is a step we take once we get to know credibly that a person has left the shores of India.
Now, wouldn't you call this man a master of forgery? First of all, when he started working or when he was discharging his duty as the principal of this particular private school in Bangalore, the school itself, after he was booked for sending lewd messages to a student, the school itself filed a case against him stating that he had given them fraudulent documents. And now the Commissioner of Police confirming to Times Now that he probably left the country with a fake passport. Now, he has already spent 13 months in jail for a forgery case, let's remember, and this is the second time probably he is using a fake passport because he has been introducing himself with two different identities. Colin Corns is his other identity apart from Paul Meakin.
A non-bailable warrant was issued against him, but shockingly, police had no clue when he vanished. Paul Meakin's discovery in Kuwait proves a major lapse on the part of the Bangalore police, as he managed to slip from right under their noose. But will India now appeal for his extradition and subsequent conviction? Bureau Report, Times Now.